Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Science for Everyone. Myself, Nadeem Khan, a bioinformatician and founder of Omics Nexus. Today, I'm proudly announcing a 3 days hands-on training workshop related to single-cell RNA-Seq data analysis. And as an expert, I'll be guiding you through all the process. I will be demonstrating it, and I will be giving you the training related to this emerging field of bioinformatics. In today's video, I will be guiding you through the course content that what we'll be covering so far in this 3 days training workshop. What are the dates, what are the timings, how you can register yourself, and how hands-on training will be given to the students in this entire 3 days workshop. So stay tuned and watch the video till end so that you should be able to know that what we will be learning so far in this 3 days training workshop. Okay, so talking about the learning outcomes is that how the data is being generated, that how single cell experiment is being conducted, and how the data is being generated inside the lab. So we assume that after knowing that how data is being generated, the data analysis become more interesting and more easily interpretable. So the data generation concepts and the theoretical knowledge will be given to you. It includes the what is single cell experiment, how it is being conducted, all the stuff will be covered. Now, the most important part is the pre-processing and the end-to-end analysis. Now, when we get the data, so how it is being pre-processed inside by a bioinformatician. So we'll be guiding you to the cell ranger, how cell ranger is being used and how data is being pre-processed and how FASTQ files are being analyzed. After that, the end-to-end analysis, we'll be using Python for it. And the important package that is designed for a single cell data analysis is Scanpy. We'll be guiding you through the Scanpy, that how it is being used to analyze the single cell data. It includes the quality control, normalization, log transformation, identification of highly variable genes, all will be done through Scanpy. Plus, how UMaps are being generated, how it is visualized, and what are the concepts behind it, what are marker genes, and how cells are being annotated. All theoretical knowledge plus hands-on training will be given to you people in this 3 days hands-on workshop. And the differential expression analysis, that how genes are being differentially expressed across cell types, this analysis will be also being conducted, and plus the theoretical and the hands-on training will be given to you people. Now let's break these learning outcomes into detailed modules, that what we'll be covering in the day 1, day 2, and the day 3. Before moving towards the day 1, day 2, and day 3, this is the entire workflow. As I mentioned, how data is being generated and how data is being analyzed. This is the entire workflow that we'll be covering in this 3 days training workshop. Now, let's start with the day 1. So when we start with the day 1, the foundation of data generation will be given to you. Okay, that how data is being generated, what are single cell experiment, how tissue is being processed, what are beads, what are the principle of the machines and the scanners that are being used for the single cell experiment. All theoretical knowledge will be given to you people entirely A to Z. After that, what is sequencing, how sequencing is being performed for single cell experiment, this knowledge will also be given to you. Moving further, that how data is, how we can find single cell data for our research projects. So we'll be guiding you through different databases like the expression atlas, the array express, the gene expression omnibus. These are the top-notch databases where single cell experimental data is present. So we can analyze, we can just retrieve it and we can start analyzing it. So this is important, that if you want to retrieve your data and to find your data, you should know that how to retrieve it and how to search for it. So we will be guiding you through different databases. Moving further in the day 1, the most important part, the data analysis part 1, that for example, if you are having FASTQ files related to single cell RNA-seq data, so how it is being analyzed and how FASTQ files can be converted into matrix files. For that, we'll be using Cell Ranger, that is designed by the 10x Genomics, how it is being set inside Linux operating system, how we can download the references databases, and how FASTQ files are being processed using Cell Ranger. Complete hands-on and theoretical knowledge will be given to you people. We will be guiding you through all the processes. Okay, now in the day 2, once we get the expression files, we'll start with the Python. Okay, we will be helping you, we'll be guiding you to install Python for it. We'll be also guiding you through install different packages, and code snippets and entire notebooks will be given to you people before the training workshop. Plus FASTQ files or the expression files will also be given to you people. What we will do is that you will be parallelly analyzing the data, means that the hands-on training will be given to you people. We will be analyzing the data, and plus we will be also giving you time to analyze the data. And all the training will be completely hands-on. So we'll start with Python, how to upload the data, the expression files, and we will be guiding you through understanding the structure of the single cell expression data, that how the data is arranged, what are inside the files, and how we can visualize it. So this is the most important part in day 2. Moving further, the cell filtration, very much important part, that we all know that single cell experiment include each cell and how to filter for healthy cell and how to remove dying cell and duplet and triplets. So this is known as cell filtration. The quality control will be guiding you through it, that how cells can be removed, plus the theoretical knowledge will also be given to you, that why we are removing dead cells and how we can just identify that these are dead cells or these are triplets and triplets and it could be removed. Okay, so plus theoretical knowledge including the hands-on training will be given to you. Okay, moving further in day 2, then you'll come with the data pre-processing, the gene filtration. As we all know that a single cell includes the expression of thousands of genes, we will be able to just target the genes that are highly variable and they give integrity to the cells. Okay, so the gene filtration, normalization, log transformations, and identification of highly variable genes, these all training will be given to you, the theoretical knowledge plus the hands-on training using Python. Okay, so you will be doing this, you will be generating the plots, plus you will be able to know that what does this code do and how to interpret the results. Now, further in the day 3, some advanced analysis will be conducted. Now, after when we get the filtered cells plus the filtered genes, so we'll be guiding you through the clustering process, that what is clustering, what are UMAPs, why these are generated, how they can help to interpret the data and to understand the data. Plus, what are marker genes, how the clusters are being apart from each other, what are the genes that makes the cluster apart. So these include the marker gene identification. We'll be guiding you through all the process, theoretically plus hands-on. Further, the most important part of single-cell RNA-seq data analysis is the cell type annotation, that what cells, the barcodes that are present, it includes which type of cell, either neutrophil or dendritic cell. This is known as cell annotation. We will be guiding you through 2 processes. Okay, the first one is the cell annotation using marker gene approach, and the second is cell annotation using reference-based approach. So it's all up to you that in your research which type of annotation you will be using, but we will be guiding you through both the annotation. Okay, complete theoretical knowledge will also be given and complete end-to-end hands-on training will also be given to you people. Okay, so this includes the cell type annotation. After that, the most important part, the advanced analysis include the differential gene expression across cell type and phenotype. This is very much important, that for example we are having two samples that include neutrophils. What are the differential expressed genes inside those 2 cells? Okay, so this is the core and the default analysis, and we will be guiding you through all the processes. Okay, so these are the learning outcomes, these are the contents that we'll be covering in this entire 3 days. Okay, again I'm mentioning theoretical knowledge plus hands-on training will be given to you people. We will be giving you the files before the training workshop, the FASTQ files, the expression files, the entire code notebook, and so that you can easily analyze your data all on your own. We'll be giving you the theoretical knowledge, plus we'll be guiding you through the training process, through the data analysis process. Okay, so what are the workshop days and timings? The date is, as mentioned, it's a 3 days training workshop. So it's 12th, 13th, and 14th June 2026. The time is from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So it's about 12 to 15 hours of course, these 3 days. So each and every part of single cell, we will be trying to explain it and we'll be trying to give you hands-on training. And the platform will be Microsoft Teams for it. Now, what is the fee structure? So as mentioned, single cell is very much important and it's a huge skill set. It can transform your complete research to a very advanced research. So for the Pakistani students, we also announce early bird discounts that is valid till 31st May 2026. The regular fees is 5,000, but if you register yourself till 31st May 2026, we will be giving you an early bird discount of 1,000 rupees. So you can just pay 4,000 for this as a discount. The international fee also include a discount. Regular fee is $30, and if you want to avail that early discount, so it's $20. Okay, so it's a huge difference, and I recommend to just apply before the early bird discount, the early bird deadline ends. Okay, now if you want to register yourself, just scan this QR code on your mobile screens, and you will be directed to our website. You can easily register yourself there. Plus, if you just type omicsnexus.org in your Google accounts, you will be directed to the website, and you can easily register yourself within 2-3 minutes of time. Okay, so hope you have get all the idea behind this 3 days training workshop. Omics Nexus do announce a lot of training workshops, and you can easily go through our website and check out that how we conduct workshops and how we train students. We also have a YouTube channel. As you are watching this, you can just go there and check out our recent training workshop, that how we conducted and how we provide quality to it. So thank you very much, and see you soon in this 3 days training workshop. So, and you can get a lot from it. Okay. So thank you very much. God bless you. See you soon.